Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this mini split system cleaning kit. So let me show you what it brings and I'll show you how to set it up and how well it works. So here it comes with a pressurized sprayer. It comes with two different nozzles, this long one and then a short one. You have a cleaning cloth, a brush, more brushes and attachments to get a deep clean. Here's the other spraying nozzle. Here's the drain tube. Here's a waterproof plastic cover to cover up the electronics of your split system. Inside here is the waterproof shield, so that way all the dirty water will fall in here and then down the tube. So let me show you how to set it up. So first you're going to unwrap the plastic cover. I like that it's nice and wide and it had these hooks that you could just attach on the top, so that way everything stays in place. And then you just put this behind the split system. So just set it up, put the two hooks and then join them together. And then once you connect them, then you just slide the back of the plastic funnel behind the split system head. So that way all the water that drips directly inside the blue tarp. Next, I have the waterproof sheet that I'm gonna put this on top of my electronics panel, so that way no water will get inside the electronics panel. Once you have your cleaning solution and your pressurized sprayer, then you just spray it on. Now you take the different brushes to clean the different coils gently. So let me show you the finished product. You can see how everything looks clean. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great mini split system cleaning kit. I like how wide that this cover captures all the water so your walls doesn't get messed up. I like it has a long draining tube and all the tools that it has. This is a great buy.